For this video, I'll create a new project. I can already see, upload and search stock footage, images and sound from here. I can also upload from inside the project itself. I'll search for some happy content. When I hover over the videos, I can see what they look like. And I'll choose this guy. Click the plus to upload more stock content. This time I'll search for nature. Now I'll upload some music. I can see lots of choice here, but I'll search for something upbeat. Cool, I like the sound of that. Just click the small plus to add it. Now I'll add an image. And another image. I move the images by just clicking them and then dragging my mouse to where I want them. And shorten duration and move items on the timeline like this. Okay, now I've just added one other video at the end and let's see what it looks like. This is where I've decided to stop the music, so now there's no music. And when I'm happy with the edit, I just click export.